Thank you for riding the Tesla Cybertruck test drive. Please keep all loose articles inside the car at all times. No GoPros or head-mounted cameras are allowed. If you don't want to lose it, leave it behind. Thank you for driving the Tesla Cybertruck test drive.
Thank you for watching Tesla Cybertruck Test Drive. Like and subscribe. Comment below. Thanks for watching Tesla Cybertruck.